go to settings. Okay, under settings go to general. The settings go to general, and here we need to come on iPhone storage. Okay, under iPhone storage, right, just come to WhatsApp. We need to check this offload apps. So here I'm going to type WhatsApp. So tap WhatsApp, so you can see both WhatsApp Inc. and WhatsApp app separately. So tap this WhatsApp app, and here, right, what we need to do is you need to choose this offload app. So I'm going to do this offload app. See, offloading apps, WhatsApp app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So I'm going to give it. Okay, super cool. So documents and data is still there. Okay, so now I'm going to reinstall, or you can just go to App Store, and here you can install WhatsApp. So here I'm going to re-download it. It's downloading. Okay, and then give open. Okay, cool. So this time, right, mine is successfully restored. If you're facing any issues, just put your comments in the videos and I will help you to fix it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in video form. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.